I'm Christian Pigakuma,
And I'm Raymar Gargar.
and we're here to discuss about the Custom Memorandum Circular number 77 2016. So this is to all deputy commissioners, all director and division chiefs, all district port collectors and other concerned. So the subject of this topic is for the DOF, DOJ, DOTC, DTI Joint Department and an Administrative Order. JDAO number 001 to 2016. Implementing rules and regulation of Republic Act number 100668. Attached is a copy of Joint Department Administrative Order number 001 2016 entitled Implementing Rules and Regulation of Republic Act number 10668, otherwise known as an act of allowing foreign vessels to transport and co-load foreign cargoes from domestic transshipment and other purposes. So based ako nasabtan mis kay mura ra siya katong pareha sa katong memorandum nga amo unang gi-report mis. Pero ang kanin siya mis kay it allows the foreign vessel to transport and co-load foreign cargo domestic transshipment for other purposes. So nag-allow siya mo pasud og foreign vessels mis to transport unya iya i-transship from domestic and for the other purposes ani niya mis. So first is the Implementing Rules and Regulations of Republic Act number 1668, otherwise known as an act of following foreign vessels to transport and co-load foreign cargoes for domestic transshipment and for other purposes. So in section 1, the title of this is the rules. These rules shall be referred to an Implementing Rules and Regulation Republic Act number 10668. So in ang section 1 kuno mis kay it talks about the implementing of rules sa Republic Act number 10668. So what is the objective of this one? In section 2, it is the policy of the state to assist importers and exporters in enhancing their competitiveness in light and testifying international trade. So ilay assist ang importers o exporters mis nga ma-enhance ang ilang competitiveness, like mas nindot ang flow gali sa iyang pag import o export mis sa diri sa Pilipinas mis og sa other countries. So definition of terms, the following terms are defined as follows. Break bulk cargoes refers to the cargoes that are listed in numbers of bills of lading, each of consisting of different commodities. This includes shall be limited to barge cargoes, crates, cylinder cases, basket, balls, rolls, drums, and other like similar types of packing, including vehicles, live animals, created or uncreated fowls such as chickens, ducks, and other loose cargoes. So ang kaning break bulk mis kaya kung pagsabot mis living man siguro siya mis nga imong i-transport mis or katong mga imo isusi mo cargoes nga mga dinagko na mis like sakyanan nga gikan sa gawas imo ipadong diri sa Pilipinas. Next is the bulk cargo, refers to a liquid dry goods ship not packed in bulk but separate units including commodities. These are the loose or in mass, which is required to be pumped, shoveled, scooped, grabbed, forked during loading or unloading. So like for example niya mis katong sand, like sa other country mis nga magbutang sila og sand sa containers mis, ila i-load niya, ila i-unload diri sa Pilipinas. May na mis ba? Not only from international mis but also here in kanang sa ato ang country ra mis. Like katong diri sa Cebu mis nga gikuan la sa Naga mis para itambak sa Manila Bay mis, which is para nako mis dili good mis kay dili man siya pure sand magud mis. Yuta am mis nya. Buayam gisil. Sorry mis, alkoy daw mis, ilaw naman katawan mis. Yan ni lang si. Next is the unsa ni? Ato sa izomi sa containerized cargo, refers to the cargo stuffed inside the container van. An external dimension of ratings enumerated series 1 to ISO 668 1976, including in the recent amendments, which is specifically designated to facilitate ready handling, particularly transfer from one mode to transfer to another. So containerized cargo, so katong mga cargo mis nga gi container siya mis, like for example van mis nga na siya sulod mis nya gisulod ba siya container miss para inigabot na niya sa katong nga place miss kay ma-move niya from land miss sa kung asa niya dapat ihatag ang final destination. Next is the container van. So katong container van miss kay katong mong gingon ganiha, reusable steel box used for the safe. So para secure ang imuhang mga gamit miss or katong mga ipang import or export miss kay mag-use sila container van. Next is the domestic cargo, refers to the good articles, commodities, or merchandise which is intended to be shipped from one Philippine port to another Philippine port. Even in carriage such as cargo, they may be interviewing foreign port. Includes foreign cargo subsidies which customs duties and taxes have been paid. So katong domestic cargo miss from Philippine port to other Philippine port miss. So domestic, from the word domestic miss, nara siya sa within sa margin or authorized Philippine nga kung asa siya pwede mag-import or mag-export. Next is the electronic inward foreign manifest. Refers to all master bills, lading, shipments, consists of ultimate nominal wala kayo kasabot miss, basta ako nasabtan miss kay kanang electronic miss, kanang manifest miss. So if naa kay import or export, dapat jud ka mag-manifest miss kay dili pwede maka-import or export nga basta-basta lang miss nga wala kay master's list or wala ka naka-manifest. So next is the export cargo. Refers to the goods, article, commodities, merchandise carried in a foreign vessel duly declared before the Bureau of Customs. Cargoes for the shipment port outside the jurisdiction of the Philippines. So export, from the word export miss, from the Philippines miss, imo siya ihatod outside the jurisdiction of the Philippines miss, mo na siyang export. Foreign cargo refers to the import. So mo ni siya miss, like for example miss, like mga imported mga gamit from other country miss, nabot siya diri sa Pilipinas para mahimo siya consumable goods sa ato ang mga consumer. Next is the foreign container van. So foreign container van nga gikan sa gawas, van sa mga foreigner, mo na siyang foreign container van. So foreign ship operator, so this is the citizen, partnership, or corporation, whether foreign or local, owning, chartering the foreign vessel. So foreign container ship, mo na siya ang ni operate sa container, sila ang nagpa-manifest, sila ang ni handle, sila ang nag-secure kung unsay naa sa ship of sa container, baby they were the one who is authorized miss para mag-control sa unsay naa sa container. Next is import cargo. Mo to miss, import cargo, mga imported products nga isuot sa kuan, magbalik-balik ra miss eh. So port authorities, so katong port authorities miss kay kanang sila mo naka-authorize sa port miss, like for example diri sa Pilipinas. So nay mga authorized, pwede ka musud sa ato ang jurisdiction if ikaw na approve ka or na approve ka kung kinsa tong authorized nga mo pasudi mo jurisdiction sa Pilipinas. Next is the port of discharge. Port of discharge wherein kani miss kay mao ni siya kung asa nimo butang final destination sa imong goods. Like for example, from kung naa ka diri sa Cebu, imihatod sa Metro Manila, mo na siya, if na siya nga to, mo na siya i-discharge. As a custom broker miss, feel na ko miss, wala na kay labot ana if naa na sa imuha na sa final destination ang imuhang i-discharge nga goods. Next is the kanang port of entry, to be discussed by Mr. Rimar Gargar.
So next is section 4. So coverage. The rules shall apply conclusively to the foreign vessel carrying foreign containers, container van, or foreign cargoes, whether containers or break block, under the following conditions. Any foreign vessel arriving from the foreign port shall be allowed to carry foreign cargoes to its Philippine transshipment port or port of final destination after the vessel is cleared at the concerned port. So ang ila dong gatuan nga port kay og na-cleared na sila dito kay pwede na sila adto na gyud sa ilang final destination nga port. So next is section 5. Commissioner of Customs. The Commissioner of the Customs, upon such reasonable conditions as may be imposed may do the following acts: authorize the convenience of the foreign cargo brought from aboard by the foreign vessel, allow a foreign vessel to take cargo intended for export at any Philippine port of entry, and at the same upon such foreign vessel the foreign port, and authorize the transshipment of the such foreign cargo intended for import or export through another Philippine port entry by other foreign vessel to the cargo's port final destination. So next is section 3, co-loading of import cargo. So import cargo as defined in this order shall be covered by the necessary import entry for the consumption, warehouse, or transshipment. In case of importation by accredited local for the Philippine Economic Zone Authority and free ports, which shall be filled at the assessment office at the port of discharge, whether charger carried by the foreign vessel and unloaded at the port of discharge after passing through another Philippine port. So an arrestry operation at the port where the foreign cargo is unloaded will submit the EIFM or ECCM of the Bureau of Customs at the first port of call port entry using the bill of loading nature code of transshipment. So the arrestral operation shall provide adequate space in the yard of temporary storage of the foreign cargo subject of co-loading. So section 7, co-loading of export cargoes. Export cargo is defined in order shall be covered by an export declaration and other necessary documents which shall immediately be filled at the first port of loading. For immediate exportation by a foreign vessel within or another passing through another Philippine port of entry, or for domestic transfer and discharge with a foreign vessel to another Philippine port of entry before the same is loaded for the export in order foreign vessel for delivery for the foreign port of destination. So section 8, co-loading empty containers. So for purposes of this order, an empty foreign container van going to or coming from the Philippine port or going to or coming from the foreign port and being transshipment between two Philippine ports shall be allowed. So parehara ni sa gingon ganiya mis katong usa ka chapter. So next kay section 9, application of the carriages of the good by the Sea Act. Carriages conducted in the accordance with the order shall be governed by the Commonwealth Act number 65, otherwise known as the Carriage Good of the Sea Act. So kani siya nga section miss kinana ni sa nabasan na mo sa presidential nga chapter miss. So nagbalik-balik rang uban miss. So next is section 10, carriage for the foreign vessel, not a public service, foreign vessel, not common carriers. Foreign vessel encouraging carriages conducted in accordance with this order shall not be considered as common carriers as the provided in Republic Act number 386, otherwise known as the Civil Code of the Philippines. So next is section 11, prohibition. Foreign shipment operations shall submit their cargo manifest the port authorities to ensure to the domestic cargoes are carried of foreign ship number foreign vessels shall be allowed to carry domestic cargo or domestic container van. So next is section 12, authority of the other agency. The concerned national agencies, bureaus and other government office involved with the co-loading, namely Department of Finance, Department of Transportation and Common Communication, Department of Trade, Industry, and Department of Justice shall continue exercise their respective. So next is section 13, fine and penalties. Bureau of Customs of due notice hearing a determination of existing of the branch of violation of the provision of the order to the rule and regulation issued pursuant thereto shall impose a penalty or fine irritating foreign ship operation. So next is section 14, separability clause. So if any provision of this order subsequently declared invalid or constitutional or other provision hereof which are not affected thereby shall remain in the force and effect. Section 15, repealing clause. An order, the rules or regulation and other issues or parts thereof consistent with the permission of other order are hereby repealed or modified accordingly. So next is section 16, effectibility. The order shall take 15 days after the publication of the official gazette of the newspaper or general circulation and submission of the copy of the law center office of the National Administrative Registrar.
So, mao to siya ang CMC 77-2016 and JDAO number 001-2016, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.